Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and before getting started on my ML550 oil change, it's time for the daily giveaway, and today I'm giving away this 3M headlight restoration kit. This kit right here is my go-to. I always use this on any headlight restoration that I do. This particular kit is on the pricier side compared to just buying some sandpaper and sanding it yourself, because this kit is meant to be used with your hand drill and it delivers amazing results. And I'm giving one away to one of you lucky viewers, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave any comment down below on this video. And I'll be deciding the winner for this and every other giveaway that I'm having on December 31st, 2018. So please stay on the lookout for that, again by subscribing. And now let's get started with the oil change. The tools that we're going to be needing today is a ratchet with an extension and a 13mm socket, an oil filter cap, or you could also use these oil filter wrenches, which I'm using here today. For the oil filter, I'm going OEM. I'm using the MAN filter. It's the HU7185X. I'm also using some Lucas oil stabilizer, and I also have some oil degreaser. There's some oil leak that I had, so I'm going to use that to clean up. And for the oil, I'm going mobil 0W40. So once you have your ML safely jacked up, you're going to locate the oil drain plug, which is located right here. And to open up the drain plug, you're going to be using the 13mm socket. Make sure to have a bucket underneath, and we're going to let this oil drain for about 10 minutes. Let everything completely drain out. And until the oil is draining, I'm going to go on top and open up the oil filter. As you guys are witnessing right here, the previous owner went really cheap with the oil filter. It's completely deteriorated, it's breaking apart. As soon as I touch it a bit, it starts cracking. So you're going to remove the old filter and the O-rings and then install the new O-rings. Make sure you lube them up a little bit before installing. So I have my new oil filter locked into place with the new O-rings. It's time to install it back and torque it down, and then go underneath the ML, close up the drain plug, and remove the jack. Everything that I'm going to be using today is going to be listed down below in my description box, so please check it out. And now with the funnel, I'm going to add the Mobil 1 engine oil. These are 5 quarts, so I'm going to add the first 5-quart jug. Then add the 1 full quart of Lucas oil stabilizer. That's 6. And then I'm going to add 3 more quarts from the second jug. And there you have it. That's how easy and simple it is to change the engine oil on your Mercedes-Benz ML W164. This was the 2008 ML550. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions, comments, or want to enter this giveaway, please drop a comment down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.